Hello, my name is Isaac Wenger and I'm doing the Test 2 wrapper. Problem I will be doing is problem 4 of part 1. So it states that you are holding a box of mass of 3 kilograms motionless at the top of a frictionless ramp. The ramp is inclined at an angle theta equals 30 degrees and has a height of 5 meters. A spring stiffness of 15 Newton meters is held up against the box, compressed by an amount S1 equals 40 centimeters. When you release the box, the spring pushes it down the ramp. For part 1, the question is, as a box slides down the ramp, a horizontal force of magnitude F equals 17 newtons is applied to the box as shown in the diagram. Determine the work done by the horizontal force as the box moves from the top of the ramp to the bottom of the ramp. Alright, to start with, you have to find force. If we go back, since the force is moving up against the motion of the box, and it is at an angle, you have to find what angle and how to calculate that. So, first the force is going like this, it's horizontal, and the distance is like that. So it would be, since this is theta, it would be 180 minus theta. That's in the cosine direction. So, see here, F times cosine 180 minus theta. Then you have to find what D is. So, you know what H is, and you know what theta. So, H, or the height, is equal to D sine theta. And then you solve for theta, or solve for D, which is H over sine theta, and then you have the number for D. Finally, you find the work that is put into the problem. So work is equal to the dot product of force times distance. In this case, it's going to be force times cosine 180 force times cosine 180 minus theta times the distance. Cosine 180 minus theta is equal to negative cosine theta, because cosine 180 is negative 1, and cosine theta is unknown, so it's negative 1 times cosine theta. And then you put D, or since you solve for D, you can put H into the equation. So it's negative force times H over sine theta times cosine theta. Cosine theta over sine theta is just cotangent theta, and to make it easier on myself, I did 1 over tan theta, which is it's equal to cotangent theta. So then you just plug in the numbers. So work final is equal to negative 17 newtons times 5 meters all over tan 30 degrees. If you multiply that out, is equal to negative 147.22 joules. Now you don't have to keep it as non-numbers. You can just go ahead and solve if you want. So you can make D equal to 5 over sine 30. Get whatever that is. You can do force, which is 17 times cosine 180 minus theta. Get whatever that is, and then multiply that out, and you can get the numbers. But I feel like it's probably easier on the mind if you just work it out without the numbers, then plug it in, because then you can really think through all the steps that's going on.